Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm basically going to be showing you how you can buy the Peep coin on the OKX mobile application. Our first step being that you simply possess some cryptocurrency for trading and transactions. From here, we then move on to the trade icon at the bottom of the screen. Once there, simply click on the core/USDT drop down. Once you've clicked on it, we're going to be searching for Peep, P-E-P-E. And here we go, Peep USDT. Simply click on that. Okay, and now we can look at everything. The limit order is certain, advanced limit order, market order, take profit and stop loss, trailing stop, trigger, and the rest of them. So we're going to be entering the amount of USD we'd like to purchase our Peep for. Call it 10 or 100 USDT, which is giving us 65 million Peep. And you can easily buy this Peep by simply clicking on Buy Pepe. You set your take profit, you set your stop loss, and you set your stop loss market if need be. Make sure you have enough cryptocurrencies for your transactions. This 100 USDT is just for an example. You could use as low as 3 USDT. That would work, which gives you 1 million. So guys, with that, once the trade ends, you successfully have your Peep deposited into your asset menu. It would be in your assets in the trading section. You could as well sell this Peep that you've gotten for USDT as well. So if you were to sell 1,500,000, that's 2.30 USDT. So guys, do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can buy the Peep coin on your OKX mobile app, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.